On a most prominent vantage point overlooking the beauty of Sevierville, Tennessee and the Great Smoky Mountains, you'll discover 115 Ruth Lane. With 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a half bath on 2 levels, this most impressive home was once a bed and breakfast. It provides over 2,800 square feet of living area with plenty of parking. A floor-to-ceiling pass-through stone fireplace is the center of the main living area. The fireplace also services a sitting room on the other side, which also provides space for this luxurious dining area as well as a breakfast nook. The kitchen offers stainless steel appliances like a double oven and refrigerator, a gas range, loads of cabinetry, even a small office nook. 3 master suites are on the main level, each with its own private bath and a fireplace that radiates plenty of warmth. This master bedroom not only provides space and luxury awaiting your personalization, the window area looks out on the back deck with a commanding view of Sevierville and the Smokies. Its master bath features a large tub shower, dual vanities, and this state-of-the-art jet tub. Downstairs is this extra living area with adjoining island kitchen and bedroom. Outside, we've added some exceptional touches like this feature, known as a Corrie Dune. Built for protection from wind in Scotland, it's the perfect sitting area here. And you even have a workshop. With so many features and amenities throughout, this could be the perfect family home or an excellent bed and breakfast. Either way, the rewards are endless. Schedule your private tour of 115 Ruth Lane in Sevierville by calling the Cheryl Hawkins team at RE/MAX Adventure Realty direct at 865-368-8640.